Where are we going, Ben?
Zakynthos.
Are you excited, Ben?
Yeah.
What are we going to see there, Ben?
Turtles and shipwrecks and beaches and holiday. So we're on the plane now, and God knows why we decided that just randomly waving at the camera was going to be enough for a vlog. But hey, we're still learning, it's our first one, right? After our takeoff, this happened, and we soon found ourselves above the clouds witnessing an absolutely amazing bed of white fluff. Truly fascinating for someone like me who can't sleep on a plane, but of course not everyone suffers from insomnia while flying.
So we picked up the car, and it's a cute little Suzuki Alto, which is a little bit smaller than what we're used to driving. But even though it's small and it's probably seen better days, it's going to get us from one place to another. Spot the tourists.
According to your son, that's the one.
Baby, according to the sun.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah. So
Carrots.
take us through. We're going to see if we can check in now. That's the place we're going to be staying at, and it's our first holiday, like proper holiday abroad together. It's like a mini honeymoon. Are you excited, Becca?
Nah, not really.
After our arrival, we are so exhausted from the journey that we decide to rest in the sun and get an early night before we're going on our first trip to Porto Limiones. As we make our way to this hidden gem the next day, the beauty of the landscape unravels in front of us. We see fields of olive trees, acacia, and get to listen to the sounds of hundreds of crickets before reaching our destination. We're in Porto something, I've forgotten the name, but it looks absolutely amazing. It's proper hot outside. I think we've got 32 degrees or something like that. There's not a single cloud in the sky. The sea looks completely deep blue, nothing like I've ever seen before. But we're going to take a swim now because it's so hot. I think we need some sort of chill out. So take a look at where we're going to go. Right, so we've come all the way up to the north now. We've still got no idea what the town is called, but we should be at the place where there's a platform from which you can see Shipwreck Bay or Navagio Bay, and that's where Becca and I are going now. Becca's already started walking and I'm about to slip, so I might just stop talking and watch where I'm going. Why does it say stay away?
Why?
Yeah.
Probably because there's tigers and lions and bears.
You're gonna wave to the camera? So, we're at the edge. We're not going to be going any further. We're not quite at the edge, but we've already seen a pair of flowers. I'm guessing that, it is a risky spot. So we're just doing our little link here now. Beautiful scenery, absolutely amazing. We've got some nice selfies as well. We've also figured out that Becca is really scared of falling. She's not really got a fear of heights, but she's afraid of falling down cliff edges. So yeah, we're just going to stay on the safe side. And this is Shipwreck Bay, is it?
Shipwreck Beach.
Shipwreck Beach.
It's called Shipwreck.
Navagio Beach.
And it's beautiful. Come here at dusk, because it's just that beautiful.
So, Becca's all come up here. We have actually come a little bit further. We have gone to the main part of the plateau from where people usually get their pictures of the shipwreck. We've got pictures of the shipwreck. We've got a nice little bit of video. Saw the Greek flag as well, and it's amazing.
Right guys, as Ben said earlier, this is our first vlog, so we'd love to know what you think. We'd love to get your feedback, so please comment below. We've got plenty more vlogs coming up from our trips to Greece, Scotland, Germany, the States. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and please give this video a like.
Until then, have an amazing week and safe travels from Ben and Becca at A Couple Abroad.